Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombie Bargain Hunter, and today this is day 2 of me opening a Pixar box every single day till I go through 8 cases. So this is day 2. I will be doing a giveaway every single week. So make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. I will be picking 5 lucky winners out of the comments every single week. At the end of the week, I'll do like a duck race, and I will of course put it on my channel to pick a winner. The winner will get a pack of cards. Well, 5 lucky winners will get a pack of cards, and of course I'll send you off some more of these awesome cards. And if I get enough subscribers, maybe I can send a few lucky winners some encased cards later on. So we will see how it goes. And come on, winner. Where is it? There it is. Not a winner today. Well, always try back tomorrow. Here is the encased card that comes in every single box, which is a sweet card. That's worth the box right there. And we should have 10 packs. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, let's see what we got. Hopefully we get a gold card or even something better. Let's start. Come on. Oh, we got a lenticular. Sweet. Look at that. The Up family. Carl and Ellie. And there they are, the empty chairs. They're really sweet cars. Jesse. Come on, we gotta get something good. This pack is fighting with me. I was going to cut them, but then I decided not to because the camera's right in front of me and I can't see very well, so I will risk cutting them. Oh, we got a Miguel, and there's Dante, and there's a Jack. But yeah, I'll be giving away some of the cards and I'll be giving a pack away to each person that wins. Well, top 5. Brave. And Remy from Ratatouille. These are called Pixar 37th anniversary Oscar cards. So if you want to pick some up, I will have them in my store, my eBay store, plushgamesandmore.com. So if you want to pick them up there, or I think the checklist was behind there too. Yeah, we don't need to see the checklist again. So yeah, if you want to pick anything up, go down there. And I do have sets made. I have the full set of Toy Story, full set of Incredibles. Oh, he almost got him. And yeah. And there's Turning Red, the big chubby panda. Oh, we have another chubby panda. Here is May and Joe Gardner. Oh, there's the back. I haven't really showed the back of the cards. I mean, the cards are really high quality. You can see the thickness of the cards. Let me show you. Here's a normal card. If I can get it out. Here, look at that. That's a normal card. This is that card. That's just a Pokemon card. So yeah, you can see the quality and how thick these cards are. They are just a really premium, nice pack. Oh, we have a duplicate. That's not nice. And we got a Woody. 3 more packs to go. Oh, we have a Wally. We haven't seen any gold cards yet, but of course this is only a second day, so we have a long way to go. And hopefully I'll find a winner box in the next few days so I can show you what that does. Got a Hector, and we got Aliens, the Claw. 1 more pack to go, and then we'll do the encased. We have another Joe Gardner and a Jack Jack. All right, here we go. Hopefully we find something good in the encased. And like I said, if I get enough subs, enough subscribers, I will give away some encased. Here we go. Ooh, we got a movie cell from The Incredibles. Let me take it out so you can see right through it. Look at how sweet those cards are. And they all come in the magnetic case, so yeah, sweet cards. Watch out if you ever buy anything on eBay. Make sure you ask them if they come with a box. I mean, the box is really nice and stuff, but I did purchase off a person on eBay, and they did not include the box, so I just returned it because I do not want. I like them in the box. I mean, the boxes are really nice. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. And don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. Like, subscribe, share. And good luck on the contest at the end of the week. Take care, everybody. Bye.